welcome to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's see the month of June 2025 for Libra. As far as relationships go first, let's pick for the past, the present and the future. You've got the Ace of Pentacles for relationships. You've got the Eight of Pentacles. So a new beginning, probably something that is existing, going really well, and a sense of balance and a sense of moderation, also a sense of holding back. Okay, then you've got the Page of Wands. So very fertile, creative time as far as your relationship is concerned. Ace of Swords, so practicality, being very practical, being very concise, being very to the point, honest conversations, going forward, bold moves, courageous moves in your relationship. So things are looking good. You've got the Emperor, you've got your hands on the reins of this relationship, you're in control in the future. And Four of Wands, you know where this is going, probably a greater commitment, a deeper commitment, in the future. And Six of Pentacles, a kind of proselytizing, a little bit of giving advice and all is happening. So try to be more understanding. Let's see the outcome card for relationships. Tower. Okay. Some things may not go down very well with your partner. Some things you say, some things you do, as the Tower shows. But all in all, things are going to look good. Let's analyze the cards now. So you have the Ace of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles, and Temperance. So there is looking towards a period of balance and harmony. And then you have the Page of Wands, the Ace of Swords, and the Chariot. So looking at more practical sides of the relationship and taking bold, courageous strides towards the future. And in the future, you have the Emperor, the Four of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. So definitely some kind of deeper commitment in the future as far as this relationship goes. And the Tower in the outcome position shows that there is probably some kind of tension, some kind of stress that might come out of your conversations with your partner. Let's justify the Tower. You've got the Ten of Swords, so something may not go down well with your partner. Something you say may not go down well with your partner. The Magician, there's a need to be balanced and harmonize everything. And the Knight of Pentacles, a little bit of stillness. So despite the present being good, there might be something that you say or do that might unnerve your partner. So try to hold back your words. Try not to express unpalatable things. Okay, Libra. So let's check the cards for career for June 2025. Libra is a very balanced sign. So yeah, you've got the Hierophant. Traditional values are being applied. Going in from choppy waters to more still waters, as the Six of Swords shows, and a little bit of escapism is also indicated by the Six of Swords. The Four of Cups, staying in illusions as far as your career goes. The Empress in the present, a period of prosperity. The Five of Cups, a little disappointment. The Sun, a card of joy, a card of innocence. The Four of Swords in the future, a kind of collecting yourself in the future, having a joyful time, as the Fool shows. And the Two of Cups shows greater commitment towards your projects, your job and your career. And the Three of Cups shows celebration, good times ahead. So let's analyze the cards. You've got Hierophant, you've got Six of Swords, you've got Four of Cups. So traditional values are being applied, and there's a slight of escapism into fantasizing and everything, living in a world of illusions. And good prosperous times are looked on by the Five of Cups. So despite doing well, not everything is going your way, and the sun stands separately. Your period of abundance stands separately. Despite having everything, there is some kind of disappointment, and you have in the future the Four of Swords, a card of taking a deep commitment, a deep vow towards something, looked on by the Fool. So this will go into a period of great joy, and going with the flow and really living it up. And there will be a greater commitment to your job as shown by the future cards. And the Three of Cups shows that you are really committed to celebrating your successes and having a good time. So it was really nice reading for you, Libra, for June 2025. Please leave your comments in the comment box. If you want a more detailed, personalized reading, my details are given in the description box. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It was lovely reading for you, Libra. Looking forward to the next reading. Looking forward to your comments. Thank you very much.